Good evening, everyone. It is a mistake that one family says cost a man his life.
Tonight, Tristar Centennial Hospital faces a $5 million lawsuit that claims a surgeon forgot a surgical needle inside his patient.
News Channel 5's Jason Lamb is live outside Tristar Centennial tonight. Jason, I know you spoke with family members who want the hospital and surgeon held responsible.
That's right, and while the hospital tonight is responding to these claims, the family says a lot could have been done better here, not the least of which was leaving that surgical needle inside their dad.
Words can't express. He was such a great dad, a wonderful grandfather. My kids adored him.
This is not where Nicole Blankenship and Brian Johnson thought they would be today.
Funny, just full of life.
Sitting here talking about their dad, John Johnson. In the past tense. John had gone in for heart bypass surgery at Tristar Centennial Hospital in May of last year.
We were not worried. We were putting our faith in the doctors.
But that outlook changed after the surgery.
So there was a complication and they had to go back in and open him back up.
They said when they did their count, a needle was missing.
According to a lawsuit filed this week against the hospital, Dr. Srikumar Subramanian left a needle inside of John during the open surgery, a needle doctors spotted in an x-ray afterwards, but still couldn't find after putting John under the knife a second time.
So, long story short, he had 2 heart surgeries in one day.
After the second operation, leaving the needle still inside him, according to the lawsuit, John had complications that left him on a feeding tube and other equipment. John died 30 days after the operation.
He had to live his last month in a way that he did not want, period.
Attorneys for the family say the surgeon should have performed a basic needle count before finishing the first operation, and that they didn't even tell John's family about the second operation to get the needle until it was already underway.
They should have let the family know what was going on.
Now they want the hospital to change how they operate to prevent what the family says was a mistake that killed their dad.
That way no one else has to go through this. A family doesn't have to go through this. Grandkids don't have to lose their grandfather because of something.
Tonight, Tristar Centennial Hospital responded to the lawsuit in a statement to News Channel 5 saying, quote, "We take the responsibility of properly caring for our patients very seriously and empathize with the understandable grief being felt by the family. We were just made aware of this recently filed legal action. We would like the opportunity to review the specifics of the claims being made and then determine how best to respond." Live in Nashville tonight, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.